Hi, hello there. How are you? What's going on, everybody? So we just hit 60,000 subscribers. I can't believe that this has grown this much. Me and all the guys are pretty blown away. We can't thank you guys enough for enjoying the stupidity that's going on. It's been an entertaining journey so far. It's weird having everybody along for the ride while I build the car. I guess you're getting to see what's going on inside the shed, which has been going on forever, but now it's on YouTube. Also, I'm glad you guys are enjoying Barry.
Fuck off.
Barry never really gets the credit for his work because it always gets patched up or painted over, but I'm glad everybody is enjoying Barry. I mean, the guy, you know, he's a natural on camera, so it's great to see his character come across in the videos while he hacks my car up and makes me sad. Flip gets his dream car in this episode, and I handed the camera over to him. He went up with Aiden again. Aiden brought the trailer. They went up the country to collect an FC RX7. Flip was a little too excited, so the footage didn't work out, but I just chucked a bunch of it in there anyway because it's pretty entertaining. But it's cool now. He has an FC and I have an 86.
Really good. We are on our way to pick up my new car. 1987 FC3s RX7. So it's a red car. Is that good?
Yes.
Today is also my birthday, and hopefully when we get there as well, it's not too dark.
Let me fuckers.
Quite an amazing machine.
What happens when you have these wheels?
Boy, wheels are shit.
Wheels are shit.
Keep up. Oh, that's so fucking tight. Right, one left is in the trailer now.
Hooray! Whoa!
You have to take off the spoiler in order for this to work.
Practical spoiler, isn't it?
Inventar.
Give us a tour of your engine.
Mother.
So it's nearly finished.
No.
Just gotta be wired.
What is this wiring?
By just some guy.
Some guy.
She's nice, lad. So you need to just get the bling blinger now and... Ooh.
Maybe it's a breeder, is it?
Glad we have you on board. Ta-da! So we got that the other day. And him. This. What? That's going to replace this. Dougie's from Tremori, doesn't know how to do it.
Have you ever played GE?
It's Flip's birthday! It's your birthday!
Cute.
That's fucking lovely! Happy birthday! You didn't even tell us it was your birthday, so this is your gift to yourself. It's your birthday!
Yesterday was a complete fucking blur. I don't actually remember getting any good footage. I think I made a fucking total balls with the camera and wrong settings. But I got it. Here it is. Yeah, we'll just have a little fucking look at it now. Ememia mirrors, D-Max spoiler, garage BB wing is fucking unreal. D-Max fenders, which have been spaced. Standard bonnet with this vent put in, but what happened was someone who painted it put it in the oven and it fucking melted. And this used to have a BN Sports full kit and it looked absolutely amazing, so I think I want to do that. Brand new BCs. No. Mint.
What's your name, age, and where are you from?
My sex is location. Look at this.
That's nice. In a frame. This guy drives this car. Look, see. Whoa!
A rally car.
Look at this.
Here, look, we'll have to get this on the camera.
Yeah, this is
She's Jap, lad. It's funny that you just have 2 yellow ones in here. Adrian has this car 10 years, so it's gone through everything. It used to have a 20 valve in it, and then it had an SR. And now it has a V8. Dun, 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 oh. And this is how you ruin an 86, look. You just put one of these in it. It's still on throttle body, so yeah. This is probably one of the most ridiculous twin cams in the world. I'd imagine so. So he still competes, still competitive. There's probably not that many Corollas that are still competing in the world, but look at this. So these are the Origin fenders that are basically a copy of the J-Blood fender, but then the lads have modified them out here, which is crazy. So they're just custom on the front and rear. Super wide to accommodate the wheels. 10 years, lads. She started out as a, well, it started out as a wild car anyway. So he's been competing with this car and still developing it for over 10 years. It's actually amazing that he's developed this car and he's kept it going for this long because he loves it. She'd be some crack at the cruise now. You never know what's hiding in a shed. Just like classic Irish scenario. So this is definitely the most ridiculous 86 in Ireland. Look at these shit stickers. No dogs are fat chigs. You have to give us them. They're fucking shit. See you later. Sound. We're gone. Yeah.
Clutch is fucked. The handbrake is fucked. The brakes are fucked.
It's got the two-tone bonnet. So we bought the Hyundai Ascent here. There's a cruise on tonight. For people in other places that don't know what a cruise is, it's where a load of cars gather, a gathering of automotive enthusiasts. So we're going to bring our Ascent Accident. We're going to pimp it out. They told us to bring our best car to this cruise. We're going to be inspired by, you know, cars like this. We did good with Ruben's car at the time. We're hopefully going to do a similar kind of style for this thing. I've personally always liked the Hyundai Ascent. I think it's a great car and I feel like people just don't really do it justice. Right, so we've come over to Rob's shed and we're going to try find some funny bits here. He's got a Subaru spoiler, STI version 6. Nobody seems to want, so we'll put it on the car. Rob's hooking us up with some stickers for the beast as well as the spoiler. It's also being hunted. Yeah. It's got the Tacatas. She's got the Wise Fab, lad. Flip has brought gold. Totally distracted from this to this. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Fucking gold! And over the brake dust and everything. So when you want to put on your vinyl, you need to degrease the car. Make sure that you're the petrol flap. Yeah, because an essential place to have it is next to the petrol flap.
We got the racing flames on the side!
Ruben's going for the advanced stripe. This is the best Hyundai Ascent ever. Slide over the yellow fucking cross there every time.
Sick fucking blend stripe.
Yeah. Wankly thermonuclear ejaculation.
Sweet blend.
Oh man. Need to get in there, man. Oh shit. Oh no, the good. No. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh fuck.
The tidiest wiring I've ever done in my life.
Yes.
Every car should have a reverse speed.
Yeah. She's really coming together now. Look at this. Nice and smooth, you bet. It's got the JDM fogs. Small bit of overspray on the windscreen there. It's dripping. Look at that. We're Waterford Motorsport. So we need to get the Christmas hats on, it's pretty festive. Fucking class, man. Gold roof. Look at that. Oh man. Disaster. The Hyundai accident. He sprayed down in front of him. Yeah. Oh, look at this yellow JDM fogs. Oh, I love it.
Excuse me!
Ask her there.
We're trying to find this cruise.
Oh, you're on it. It's just fucking shite.
Ah, fuck. We didn't build this fucking car for nothing. We're going back to the port though. Where's this fucking cruise, eh?
It's gonna. That's nice. Unfortunately, there wasn't really much of a cruise. Maybe we showed up too late. The rain is pretty bad. Yeah, we just wanted to show off our beautiful machine.
Japanese performance.
Yeah. So we failed when we tried to find the cruise with the car. So now we're gonna go into town and get something to eat and show people what they're missing out on.
Oil everywhere. What the fuck? What's in the floor?
Clutch is slipping. Look, as long as we have the gold vents, this thing's got all the looks, but none of the go.
What's the speedometer to rev gauge ratio? I'm racing!
Some yoke to sounds like he's drifting.
White cookie latte, please.
Yeah, what is that thing? We had the Jag. There was always a couple of comments about the sound. I got pretty serious about trying to fix that because things were jumping all around the place and I had crappy headphones and I sorted all that out. But I got my friend Darryl, he's a music producer and he's obsessed with audio, so he takes the files for me now and he runs them through a bunch of filters and equalizes everything. So hopefully there's no more nonsense with the audio, so I do apologize for that. Also, because we hit the 60,000 subscribers, I'd like to give away a gift, maybe just give someone a bunch of stickers. So I'm gonna get Dougie or somebody random to just pick a random comment on this one. So please comment and, you know, tell your friend and that. I have a friend called Timmy or Jimmy. I tried to count the 60,000 subscribers, but I just got fed up. So I'm just gonna get someone to close their eyes and pick a random person out of the comments. So please comment whatever, doesn't matter. We read all the comments, we get a good kick out of it. It's nice to have the feedback. Thank you so much to everybody that's commented and been along for the ride so far. We're truly grateful and there's lots more to come. Stay tuned and thank you very much. Yes.